Hi.
What are you doing today?
Food squishy.
You play with your food squishies?
Yes.
Cool. So who's with you today?
Baby Sara. What you like? I like this one. She likes the popcorn.
Oh, really?
Yes. She picked this one.
It's got a good taste.
Mommy, can she eat it?
Why not?
Okay. Would you like to eat the popcorn? Wait, Sarah, I'll be right back. Mommy, I'm hungry. Is it snack time? Oh, wow! For me? That looks yummy.
Misha, where are all the squishies?
Oh, you eat it.
Sara? Where are all the squishies, Sara?
She eat it.
Sara, you ate the squishies? All of them?
I need to be changed. Stinkeroo.
You need to change Sara?
Yes.
Oh, did you make a stinky?
Yes.
Okay, let's have a look then.
What? Look.
Baby Sara, what is that fish? Is that your poo?
Yeah, she pooped.
Oh my goodness.
There's your poop, baby Sarah.
You.
Take it away.
Oh, is this stinky? Sara, don't ever eat squishies again.
That's that good.
Bad girl.
Very girl.
Okay, Misha, is that all for today?
Yes.
Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
bye.
Bye.